What's going on, everybody? So if you're looking for a food organization container or a lunchbox that allows you to separate different food, this is the fourth day that I had these apples in here, and you can see that the apples are still almost identical. So definitely airtight, and it will make your food last a little longer. And it's leak proof and waterproof. Whether you're taking this to school, to work, or on a picnic, consider this lunchbox. Stay tuned for the whole video. This is a pretty cool thing. This can be a lunchbox for your kid. It can be a lunchbox for your spouse, or you can take this with you traveling in a car, or you can use this as a jewelry tackle box, or even for nails and whatnot. We bought this for our little guy. So this is kind of how some of the containers I give to my kid look like, right? All gets mixed in, and nobody likes to touch food that's kind of like touching each other, or at least I don't. This way I can separate everything, right? And then the apples can go here, grapes can go here, carrots can go here, and then your carb snacks can go here. That way you're separating everything so nobody gets grossed out. Do not microwave the plastic containers. However, you can use a dishwasher, even though they say don't, but I put it on the second rack level of the dishwasher. Now the lid itself, it's very flush, and it's got two locking mechanisms, and it's got two handles. And that's not all. They also provided you with these little tiny plastic spoons and forks, but don't worry. So underneath here there is a spot on here. Plastic utensils go here, and then you just press this down, and that's it, and then off you go. Now this is completely leak proof. As you can see, nothing is going to mix itself. It's super slim, and it doesn't take up any space because look, you can still stack stuff on top of that. This is the fourth day that I had these apples in here, and you can see that the apples are still almost identical. So definitely airtight, and it will make your food last a little longer. What I also like is that these are slim enough that I can still put these in my other containers, or you can put it this way, and then you get your cereal and then two containers of fruit. Then we just put this on, put a little rubber band on, it's good to go. So definitely a really nice little companion. And I like that I can just keep all the stuff in here and it will keep things fresh. Even full apples, you can just put them in, cut up, and it will maintain the freshness a lot longer. So yeah, if you're looking for an amazing little way to transport your food, organize it, or just have a snack pack ready for your little one, this is definitely something you may want to consider. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.